Now that you've got your drawing file created, let's look at how to place our base view in some of the options. So, as you can see as I'm dragging around, it says place base view. This needs to be your front view, okay? Now, if you have drawn your object correctly, chosen the best front view, oriented it properly in the Fusion 360 drawing panel, then your base view should be your front view. If not, what you need to come over here is to the orientation. And you can click this drop down and change the view. So there's front, there's my base view is the right side, so on, and you can change these to isometrics, but we want the front view. Next, we look at our scale. You want this to be large enough to fit in our folder.
Please pardon the interruption, but again.
So in order to make sure that we have this the size that we want, we're going to change the scale over here. So if I do a 1-to-1 scale, makes it larger. 2-to-1, even bigger, but I'm going to stick with a 1-to-1 scale right now. And I'm going to hit OK. And I drag it over here to where the front view belongs. Alternatively, you could have just clicked and placed it there originally. The next thing that we need to do is what's called the projected views. So that's the top view and the side view. So if I click projected view, we want to select parent view as the cursor says. Click our front view, and now you just drag straight up, click once to place. So if you notice as you drag it around, it's showing you all the views in the proper location. So I drag to the right for the right view, and I'm going to drag up here and place our isometric view. I'm going to now hit escape to back out. And now we have placed our base view as well as our projected view.